Using the new data logging functionality within the tool 2Graph, in conjunction with a version 2 microbit, you can create real-time graphs of external data such as temperature, light levels, and sound levels. Microbits have built-in sensors that are located in the central processing unit that measure ambient temperature in degrees Celsius. This means the temperature of the air around it. The LED lights on the front of a microbit also act as sensors and can be used to measure the light level in a range from 0, which is pitch black, to 255, which is very bright. The microbit also has a built-in microphone which can be used to measure the level of ambient noise. Connecting a microbit with 2Graph will automatically record the data being received by these sensors and present the data in different graph forms. Firstly, let's launch 2Graph from the Tools area here, or I could also launch it via the Maths curriculum area here. Click on the USB transfer button at the top left of the window. We now need to choose how we want to gather the data. We can either leave our microbit plugged into our computer as it collects data, or we can unplug it and connect a battery pack, which will mean the microbit is portable and will gather data as it's moved around. I'm going to choose to keep it plugged into my computer. We will look at how to use the unplugged option in another video. Click Next and choose which data you want to collect, whether it's light, sound or temperature, and how often you want 2Graph to log this data. In other words, how often in seconds do you want to take a measurement? I want to log the light levels, and I'm going to change this to every 2 seconds, but you can select up to every 60 seconds. Make sure your microbit is plugged into your computer or laptop using the micro USB lead. Click the Download button. It should recognize the microbit automatically if it is connected correctly. Select the microbit and click Connect. It will begin transferring a program to the microbit that sends the sensor data back to your computer. Once the transfer is complete, the LED lights and the microphone indicator should be flashing, which indicates it is now collecting data. Click Start when you're ready to begin the data log. You may need to connect the microbit again. You will now see the data presented in real time on a line graph. In my case, it's taking a measurement of the light level every 2 seconds and plotting that on the graph. Click Stop when you're ready to finish your data logging. We can now have a look at the data we've collected and choose different graph types to present our data. We can also edit the labels on our X and Y axis to accurately show what we have measured and add a graph title. We may also want to change the scale size here, which is the numbers shown on the Y axis. If I change the scale size to 20, you can now see that my graph is much easier to read in steps of 20. Now you can save your data or print it off or export it as an image or a picture file.